In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can change your video frame rate. So without wasting time, let's open up our camera application. Now I'll be using the stock application that comes installed with the device. And in here, make sure you just select the video tab. And then at the top, you can see we have the resolution and the frame rate. Click on the frame rate, which is the second number, which by default it's set to 30. And you can see it now selects 60 and back to 30. So you just click on it to swap between them. And you can do the same thing for 4K, as you can see. So when you now start recording your videos, they will be recorded, at least at this moment, at 4K at 60 frames per second, giving you this nice, smooth recording. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit like and subscribe. But nonetheless, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.